Problem number 2. Our first part is on the coordinate plane, plot and label these points. So we're going to have 4 different points. To plot a point, we select the point button and click on the coordinate intersecting point. Then to label the point, we're going to select the label button and click on the coordinate point we want to label. Okay, so for point A, it is 2, 2. So our x value is 2 and our y value is 2. Just making a note of that in case you have forgotten. So our x value is 2 and our y value is 2. And a reminder that the x-axis is down here on the horizontal and our y-axis is up here on the vertical. Okay, so 2, 2 would be x2, so over 2, and then positive 2 is up 2. So there we go, there's 2, 2. Now we need to label it, so we need to come back over here, click the label button, come down here and click the point we want to label, and we're labeling this point A. For point B, it is 2, 6. So once again, we're at 2 on the x, and then we're going to go up here to 6 on the y, put our point, and then we're going to label the point. Click on the label button, come down here, click on the point, and we're going to label it B. Our third point, B, is 4, 7. So down here on the y, we're coming to the right to where it's 4, or on the x, excuse me, is 4. And then we're going to go up to 7 on the y, put our point here, and then we're going to label our point D. Our final point is point D, and it is 4, 3. 4, 3. So 4 on the x, and 1, 2, 3 on the y. We put our point, and then we come back here and label the point, which is point D. Okay, so we've done all 4 of those. So A, B, C, and D. Okay, and you can see that those are the correct points in the correct spots. Right, now we come down here. What is the length of A to B? Okay, so the length of A to B. So we're simply going to count the vertical distance between A and B. So I'll go ahead and use my annotate tool just to show you what I'm doing. So I'm starting here at A, but I'm not going to count that as 1. We don't count until we move. So there is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units. So the distance, the length of segment A to B is 4 units. And then what kind of a quadrilateral is ABCD? ABCD is a 4-sided figure because it's a quadrilateral. I don't see any right angles, so we're not looking at a square or a rectangle. The side lengths are different. I can see that 2 sides are considerably longer than the other. Side C to D is also 4 units. So this is simply a parallelogram. We have 2 sets of parallel lines, but no right angles, so a parallelogram. And there is problem 2.